everyone. In this video, we will do the solution discussion for the challenge 1.5. So let's start. As I told you, that will be the similar to about HTML subheading, but it will have the different content that is about CSS. So it's the fully same, that will be H3. So the tag open H3 and the tag close about CSS, our content, and then the tag open slash H3 and tag close. That was the same as this subheading, but that is another subheading, which is a challenge. Meet you in the 2.1 challenge discussion.